मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने ऐलान किया है कि मजलिस आने वाले असेंबली इलेक्शन में 50 हलकों पर मुकाबला करते हुए 15 सीटों पर कामयाबी के साथ असेंबली में अपनी ताकत का मुजाहरा करेगी। गवर्नर के खुतबे पर इजहार तशक्कुर मुबाहिस में हिस्सा लेते हुए अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कहा कि वो सदर मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन से इस सिलसिले में मुशावरत के जरिए 40 सीटों पर मुकाबले को यकीनी बनाएंगे और भारतीय राष्ट्र समिति के साथ इत्तेहाद को मजबूत करेंगे।
And lastly, sir, Honorable Minister Saab had said about AIMIM having 7 seats. Sir, I have taken a very serious note of his comment which he has passed on AIMIM, and I assure him that I am going to make sure that I talk to my party president and see that we contest more seats in the coming election, and we come not in the number of 7, but I'll make sure that we come in the number of at least 15 next time by contesting at least 50. I will make sure that my party president agrees for this. And if he agrees, I am sure we will have more number of AIMIM legislatures here and who will work together once again with the Bharat Rashtra Samiti. Sir, I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, sir.